Today I'll be installing this bed mat on this F150 2026. I'm gonna be explaining you the advantages of having a bed mat, the fitment, and everything about the TonnoFlip bed mat. This is a very easy installation. I cannot even call it an installation because you just take it out the box and you just throw it in there. Very simple. You can do this in under 1 minute and it's gonna protect your bed. Even if your pickup truck has this bed liner, the bed mat is gonna provide you with some advantages that I'm about to explain. So when you get this bed mat out of the box, because it comes rolled inside it, what I do is just roll it the other way so it gets the form of the truck. I do this across the bed mat here. I kind of roll it the other way. Now you'll see what happens once I put it on the bed. So you can see here, it's gonna get the shape of the bed. Perfect fitment here. Again, I'm just gonna roll it here on the corner, hold it for a couple seconds, and this is what you get. Again, I'm gonna be doing the same thing on the other corner. As I said, it comes rolled inside the box. So what I do, I just roll it the other way, push it down a little bit, hold it for a few seconds, and that's it. This corner fixed. And we're gonna be doing the same thing here in the back. Roll it the other way, push it down a little bit. You can also let it sit on the sun for a few minutes and it's gonna get the form of the bed. But what I'm doing here, if you are indoors, in your garage or wherever, you know, there is no sun, hold it here and then this is gonna get the exact fitment of your bed. Look, so as you can see here, it's covering all the corners here. Perfect fitment, laser cut. It fits perfectly here on this F150 2026. As you can see, here we have the TonnoFlip logo. I'll show you real quick from another angle. I'll show you now from this angle so you can see how it looks once it's installed. This is a very easy installation. It only takes about 1 minute. Perfect fitment. Now I'm gonna show you a real advantage of having this TonnoFlip bed mat. I'm just gonna take it out. I'm gonna put a box here. I'm gonna go inside the truck. I'm gonna go forward, hit the brakes so you see what happens with the box. Stay here. So I'm putting this box here, right? Remember, this truck already has the spraying bed liner. Now, what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna get inside, I'm gonna run it forward. I'm gonna hit the brakes. And with this little camera I have here, you're gonna see what happens with that box. All right, let's get in here. I'm about to show you guys this advantage that you have with the bed mat. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happens with the box. As you can see here, the box shifted forward, right? Now, I'm gonna reinstall the bed mat and I'm gonna show you what happens. I'm gonna be doing the same thing, guys. Very easy install. As you can see, you just throw it in there. Put the box here, right? Close the tailgate. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna do the same thing again. Let's see the advantage that you have, because a lot of people ask me, why would you need a bed mat if you already have the spraying bed liner? All right, let's see. Let's do it again. Look at this, guys. The box did not move, and that's proof right there. I have the small camera there to show you guys I didn't do this. I didn't plan this. It's real. The bed mat has a lot of advantages, and one of them is that the things you have back here are not shifting forward because of the material it's made. It's not slippery like the spraying bed liner. Imagine if you did not have the spraying bed liner. It would have been paint, it would have been worse. Plus, you get protection against scratches. It looks nice, nothing is shifting forward. You know what, guys? I'm about to make another test with this bed mat. I'm about to take this truck outside, put a ladder on top of the bed, see what happens, and then take out the bed and see if it shifts forward. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. As you can see, no bed mat, and you saw what happened, right? Let's do it now with the bed mat on. Let's check. I don't know. Oh, it's going back. Wait. I didn't put the parking. That's part of the, you know, it is what it is. But this is the real truth, guys. It did not move. So we proved our point. TonnoFlip bed mat. I left the truck in reverse, but it's all right. The point is that it did not move forward. So remember, if you want to get the best product to protect your bed, you can get it at TonnoFlip.com. Launching soon, guys. If you like trucks and mods, this is gonna be your channel, TonnoFlip. Don't forget to subscribe.